Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee and I'm here in this lovely garden in Kent. The sun is shining and I'm going to show you how we can use the Marshall's versatile range of bricks to create some lovely garden features. So here's the first of the projects, which is a long garden wall. And Aaron, the brickie here, has started off with 2 courses of perforated engineering bricks, the blue engineering bricks. And then he's following on with these Langston gold bricks, which are perforated. And then to top it off, he's going to put the brick on edge so you don't see the perforations. So first thing I notice here, Aaron, is that we've got different bricks in this pack, haven't we?
Yes.
Some have got a fleck and some haven't.
It's very important that we mix the fleck with plain ones, otherwise we might have patches of fleck and loads of patches of plain.
If you're aware of that, if you're a DIYer, say, you can set the whole thing out so you make sure you get an even distribution of it.
Take extra care before you start. They're also very uniform, Roger, so every brick is the same size. You can't get too carried away as you're going down the wall. It keeps you in line.
So what are you up to here? A little planter, I see.
I was just setting out the first course for a raised planter.
Right, so these are the engineering, these are the blue engineering brick.
Yep,
yeah?
that's it. Same
and then you're following on with these, yeah?
Yeah.
These are the Islington stock. Frog up or frog down?
I lay them frog up until I get to the top, and then I lay them frog down just to stop any water, rainwater or anything like that getting in there freezing.
Okay, so this is the third part of your project, yeah?
Yep, that's it.
So what are you doing, replacing the steps?
No, we're just replacing the brickwork that was here up the side of the steps.
So what was wrong with the old brickwork then?
They just had old red stock bricks in there and the water got inside, froze in the winter, just helped the bricks perish very quickly.
Right, so that's a really important point, that you must make sure you get the right product for the job. These ones, you can actually, these Islington stocks, they'd be like an engineering brick, you can lay them straight out the ground. So it's a question of a little bit of planning. Make sure that you get the right brick for the job and that it's suitable for the location you're using it in, then you won't have any trouble at all. So how are you going to lay these? Frog up, yeah?
We start frog up, and then as soon as we get to the capping, we'll lay them frog down again to stop the water getting in. We're just dry bonding it out here, just so everyone's happy.
Dry bonding it, laying it all out first is great. It makes sure that you don't have any awkward things where you've laid them and then you've, oh, hang on a minute, we're half a brick too long or too short. It doesn't take long, then you know where you're going. So what makes this range of Marshall's concrete bricks special is that they come in a fantastic range of colours and they're very consistent in their sizing. And because they're concrete, which is cast rather than clay, which is fired, it makes them a lot more carbon efficient, 49% more efficient, and made in the UK, which is very important. So there you are, that's 3 projects completed with the Marshall's facing bricks and the Marshall's engineering bricks. And I've got to say, it's looking pretty good. And don't forget, there's an awful lot more colours and styles to choose from, so check out the full range.